welcome to Miami Cooking. I'm Azita, and today I've got the perfect back-to-school open house snack. Take a look at these cookies. They're wafer cookies, but I've used melted chocolate to make them look like pencils and rulers.
For this recipe, you're going to need the following ingredients. Don't forget to get a screenshot. First, we'll begin with separating all the wafer cookies. Next, you're going to decide how many will become rulers and how many will remain pencils. For the pencil shapes, we're going to use a paring knife to cut the corners of the wafer in a triangular shape. And for the rulers, you don't need to cut anything. Once all that slicing is done, we're going to turn up the heat and place a small handful of yellow candy melts in the microwave for 30 seconds. If 30 seconds isn't enough, we're going to do another 20 seconds more. You're looking for some to be slightly soft before stirring them around until there's a melted, smooth consistency. Once the candy melts are fully melted, we're going to dip our wafer cookies into the chocolate, and I'm going to be using a chopstick to slide off any excess residue. And we're going to repeat this with our rulers as well. Now it's time to let these wafers completely dry before moving on to melting the white chocolate for about 30 seconds. In order to do this next step, I recommend using a thin brush to vertically apply the white chocolate in an up to down motion, following that triangular shape of the tip of the wafer. Once the tips are dry, we're going to melt the pink chocolate for 30 seconds. When the pink chocolate is melted, we can start creating the eraser tips by dipping the pencils about ½ inch deep. Any excess strips can be slid off with a chopstick or spoon. Now let's add ½ teaspoon of coconut oil to our dark chocolate, and in the microwave they go for 30 seconds for a smooth, drippy consistency. Next, we're going to dip the tip of our pencils into the chocolate to make it look like the lead. For the finishing touch of these pencils, we're going to make one brush stroke of chocolate along the edge of the pink eraser part to give these pencils a more bold look. Now, let's not forget our little rulers. For these, we're going to brush on little lines of chocolate, and we're going to stick on a brown sprinkle for each line to give it a 3D effect. And there you have it, our pencil and ruler wafer cookies. These are perfect for open house night or for any school events. They're so cute. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Bye!